Hi everyone, my name's Matt Henry, and welcome to Accessibility, Website Comprehension, and Structure. I'm a developer and vice president of product. Accessibility is more than an issue of compliance. It's about empathy. In this course, you'll learn how the small decisions you make over the course of development affect visitors on assistive technology. Some of the major topics that we will cover include semantic HTML and ARIA attributes, compatibility with screen readers, comprehensible interactions and interfaces, building accessibility into your sites. By the end of this course, you'll lay the groundwork for making more accessible and usable websites for everybody. Before beginning the course, you should know the basics of web development, HTML and CSS. I hope you'll join me on this journey to supercharge your web skills with the Accessibility, Website Comprehension and Structure course at Pluralsight.